everyone, it's me. I know it's been a very long time since I've done a YouTube video, so I had an idea and I thought, it's been a long time, so let's kind of vlog it out, I guess. So I hope everyone is doing okay during this horrific time. Like, these times are not good for anyone. The economy, the world, the health, our families, friends, socializing, nothing at all. But we can always see the bright side with some gaming and some cosplaying and crafts that we have like time to spare now, since everyone is quarantining in their homes. So actually I've been thinking about this quite a long time, and I pre-ordered Cyberpunk and I played it, and I was amazed with it. I know that the game was a little bit horrible, had a lot of bugs, it was unplayable. I played it on PS4. So I know about all the things about the game. The thing is though that I enjoyed it. The game was not actually that bad, and it actually had a lot of great cosplays ideas, and I wanted to create my own cyberpunk costume, like my original design, because the game had so many possibilities, from weapons to clothes to like cyber things. Coco is here as always. She's like my little pet and she wants a little bit fame. So I just want to give you a few tips on how you can do your own cyberpunk cosplay with things that you have at your house, or you can get really easily for few money, and you can fix with a couple of things, just a little tip, and of course I will show you my progress as well. So what I wanted to do, the major thing that I wanted to do is a gun. Guns in Cyberpunk are like super futuristic, have amazing design, like they're melee, they're like assault rifles, you can get any type of weapon you want. So basically what I had was this, which is like an old Nerf gun that I got for like €7, and it was like blue and orange. In the beginning you can see like some orange parts as well. So the first thing I did with this gun was spray painted matte black through both sides, and then as you can see there's like some kind of like grayish highlight, which I wanted to do. Like my whole cyberpunk costume is gonna be black and silver, so I want to go with this motif, and basically what I did is I painted with some just basic silver acrylic paint and two different brushes, one to add the paint and one to do the shading. You can get paint from any hardware store, some are open, or you can order this online, and you can get these pretty cheap guns from toy stores. And this one specifically I got from Greece, from Jumbo, for €7, and it's actually pretty like functional, I guess. Like this one, like it closes, and it has this, which is where the bullets used to go, which I threw away, and you can put this as the holder. So it looks kind of cool. It's painted from both sides. I was not though happy enough with the result and how it looked. So basically what I'm going to do is, because Cyberpunk is very flashy and is like very neon, very futuristic, I had this L-wire, which L-wire is like a very thin wire that comes with the batteries, and it actually lights up. You cannot see it because it's very bright. I'm in my balcony right now shooting, and it has like different modes, like you can see it blink, and you can get this for about €2 or €3. You can get it from AliExpress, eBay, and in Greece you can also get it from Jumbo. They have it, and they have it also in different colors, and it's a lifesaver, because basically what I'm about to do with my gun is I'm gonna take this little stripe and I'm gonna put it all over my gun. So basically if you see it like this, it's black, and I know that you cannot see a lot, it's gonna be like, light up. And because this is a 5-meter one, I'm gonna do it from both sides. So it's gonna be really, really nice, I think, like the end result. So about the outfit, I'm going to do trousers because I was thinking about something like skirts or cargo pants, but trousers are the main thing in Cyberpunk. At least that's what my character had, and I want to get as close to my character as possible. And I'm gonna have like neon colors, neon blue specifically, like a neon blue wig, and just a black leotard, very futuristic, very nice. I still haven't figured out all the details, but one of the main things I have made, and I will suggest this to you as well, is masks. Masks are really popular in Cyberpunk. Masks, glasses, anything that covers your face, as it gives you armor as well, for anyone who noticed. So basically I had this super cheap masks, Halloween masks, that I got from Jumbo as well, and you know, they cost about €2 or €3. It's really, really cheap. So I took this. This was like kind of like this. It was a full face, cutted it, and it was a bronze. And I painted it again with some spray paints, silver. I haven't put the attachments, but it's gonna go like this, as you can see. And like I have a short bob wig, and I think this is gonna be fantastic. Of course I need to, you know, grind it down a bit. It's a bit rough in places, but this is something also that you can do really, really easily. Just, you know, take a Halloween masks, cut it, paint it. You can even add anything you want on it as color or design, or you know, you can add like polymer clay or resin or whatever else you want. Be creative, be you. So that's everything I've got for my cyberpunk cosplay so far. I might keep you updated. I don't know, like, you know, YouTube is really weird, but I do love making these videos from time to time and update you guys. So when this is done, I'm gonna have a photo shoot, make it amazing. Make sure you check my Instagram page, my Facebook, and of course my Coffee, where you can support me through there and buy sets every month, goodies, very nice things. Check out the ones coming in a week from now. I will upload this on YouTube, hopefully on time. And yeah, see you till the next video. Bye!